In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Incognito mode in Google Chrome. Incognito mode is a handy feature if you want to browse the internet more privately. When you use this mode, Chrome will not save your browsing history, cookies, site data, or any information you enter in forms. Do note, though, that it doesn't make you invisible on the web. Your activity might still be visible to websites you visit, your employer, or your internet service provider. But for everyday private browsing needs, Incognito mode is a great tool. Now, let me guide you through the simple steps to open it. First, let's get started by launching your Google Chrome browser. Once your browser is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. There, you'll notice a three-dot icon, often referred to as a menu button. It's your gateway to a variety of settings and options within Chrome. Click on this three-dot menu button to open a drop-down menu. If you're using a keyboard, you can also simply press and hold the Ctrl and Shift keys, then tap the N key as a shortcut. But let's focus on the menu option for clarity. After clicking on the icon, a drop-down menu will present itself with several options. Among them, you'll see one labeled New Incognito Window. This is the option you'll need to select to proceed into Incognito mode. So go ahead and click on New Incognito Window. Immediately after making this selection, you should notice a new window pop up on your screen. This window will appear a bit different from your regular browsing windows due to its distinct dark theme and icon, indicating that you're now in incognito mode. Additionally, you'll see a brief message explaining the mode's features and what it does and doesn't save during your browsing session, which can be quite helpful in understanding the constraints of incognito mode. And that's it. You're now all set to browse privately. When you're done, simply close the window to end the session. It's worth mentioning that any tabs you open in this window will also operate under incognito rules. However, if you need to switch back to your regular browsing, just open a new window or tab outside of the incognito session, and you will continue there without the restrictions. This process can be repeated anytime you need to browse privately. Incognito mode is particularly useful for online shopping across multiple user accounts, researching sensitive topics, or whenever you need a cleaner browser slate. Remember, while incognito is useful, it's not a substitute for comprehensive online privacy. For more secure browsing, consider additional precautions such as a VPN service. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to give it a try and see how incognito mode can help streamline your private browsing needs.